Want to grow your YouTube channel? You're in the right place. Today, we'll explore a comprehensive tutorial to supercharge your channel's growth. We'll cover everything from defining your niche and identifying your target audience to creating compelling thumbnails and crafting engaging introductions. We'll also delve into interactive content, collaborations, social media promotion, and how to use analytics for optimization. So, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned YouTuber looking to level up, we've got something for you. Ready to dive in? Let's kick things off with our first step. First things first, you need to define your niche and identify your target audience. It's like setting the compass for your channel's journey. Your niche is the unique flavor of content you'll be serving. It's where your passion and expertise meet. Consider what you love, what you're good at, and what you believe the world needs more of. That's your niche. But a niche isn't enough on its own. You need to know who you're creating for. That's your target audience. Think about their interests, their challenges, their habits. What do they enjoy? What do they need help with? What time do they usually surf YouTube? The answers to these questions will guide your content creation, helping you tailor your videos to the people who will truly appreciate them. Remember, the more specific you are with your niche and target audience, the better you can cater to their interests. It's about quality, not quantity. Knowing your niche and audience is the foundation of your channel's success. Now that you know your audience, let's talk about reaching them. Keyword research is like having a compass in the vast sea of content creation. It's the process of identifying words and phrases that people use in search engines, in our case, YouTube. Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack. Now, wouldn't it be easier if you knew what color the needle was? That's what keyword research does. It helps you understand what your audience is searching for, so you can tailor your content to meet their needs. You can utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube's Search Suggest feature to find the most searched phrases. Once you have a list of relevant keywords, incorporate them naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. But remember, relevance is key. Misleading keywords may harm your channel's reputation. With the right keywords, your videos will reach the right audience. Next up, we're going to talk about your video's first impression, thumbnails and titles. Like the cover of a book, your video's thumbnail and title are the first things people see, making them crucial for drawing in viewers. Let's start with thumbnails. They should be visually appealing and accurately represent your video's content. Think of them as mini movie posters for your video. Use high-resolution images, readable fonts, and vibrant colors to stand out in the crowd. Now, on to titles. They need to be catchy, yet clear and concise. Your goal is to spark curiosity or offer value, making viewers want to click to find out more. Also, remember to naturally incorporate your researched keywords into your titles to boost searchability. To sum up, compelling thumbnails and titles aren't just decoration. They're powerful tools to grab attention and lure viewers into your content. An engaging thumbnail and title can significantly boost your video's click-through rate. Now let's focus on the heart of your channel, your content. The quality of your content is a vital factor in determining the growth and success of your YouTube channel. Let's break it down into 3 key components. Firstly, invest in good audio and video production equipment. Clear visuals and crisp audio enhance the overall viewing experience, making your content more professional and engaging. Secondly, plan your content meticulously. Whether you're creating educational or entertainment videos, ensure that they are structured, focused, and engaging. Keep your viewers hooked from start to finish with a mix of valuable insights, wit, and creativity. Lastly, maintain consistency. Consistently publishing content keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. This doesn't mean you need to churn out videos daily. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Remember, content is king. Make it count. Your content is your brand's voice. Make it informative, entertaining, and uniquely yours. That's the recipe for quality content production. You've got them to click, now you need to keep them watching. That's where engaging introductions come in. They're like the opening scene of a great movie, setting the stage for what's to come and enticing viewers to stick around. So how do you craft an engaging introduction? First, grab their attention within the first 10 seconds. Remember, people have short attention spans, especially online. You could use a surprising fact, a provocative question, or a compelling statement. Next, give them a glimpse of what they can expect from the video. This not only piques their curiosity, but also assures them they've clicked on the right video. Finally, keep it short and sweet. You want to get to the meat of your content as quickly as possible while keeping your audience hooked. And there you have it. A well-crafted, engaging introduction can make all the difference in keeping your viewers tuned in. An engaging introduction is your key to viewer retention. All right, let's talk about getting your audience involved. Interactive content is a powerful tool for boosting engagement and fostering a sense of community around your channel. It transforms passive viewers into active participants, creating a dynamic exchange that strengthens the bond between you and your audience. Start by encouraging comments, likes, and shares. Pose questions, seek opinions, or ask for suggestions for future content. This not only boosts engagement, but also provides valuable insights into your audience's interests and preferences. Another effective method is to create polls, quizzes, or challenges. This can be as simple as asking viewers to choose between two options for your next video topic, or as engaging as launching a challenge related to your content and inviting viewers to participate. Remember, the more your audience interacts with your content, the more invested they become. Interactive content not only boosts engagement but also builds a community around your channel. Next, let's talk about collaborations and cross-promotion. This is a game changer. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can significantly expand your reach. It's a fantastic way to tap into an existing audience that is likely to be interested in your content. But remember, the goal of a collaboration should not only be to gain more viewers, it's also about sharing valuable content and providing a unique perspective to your audience. Now, onto cross-promotion. This involves mentioning or featuring other creators in your videos. When done right, it can be mutually beneficial. You get your content in front of a new audience and the featured creator gets exposure on your channel. It's a win-win situation. But how do you do it effectively? Start by genuinely engaging with other creators' content. Understand their work, and if it aligns with your niche, reach out for a potential collaboration or cross-promotion. Remember, authenticity is key. Collaborations and cross-promotion are great ways to reach a larger audience. Now let's take your content beyond YouTube. You see, social media promotion isn't just about sharing your videos, it's about expanding your reach and building a community around your content. Think of each platform as a bridge, connecting you to new audiences and potential subscribers. Start by identifying which social media platforms your target audience uses most. Is it Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or perhaps LinkedIn? Once you've figured that out, tailor your promotion strategy to each platform. Remember, each one has its own unique language and culture. Next, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and show appreciation for their support. This not only cultivates a sense of community, but also encourages viewers to interact with your content. Consider leveraging social media-specific features too. Instagram stories, Twitter threads, Facebook groups. They all offer unique ways to connect with your audience and promote your content. Social media promotion is a powerful tool to drive traffic to your channel, so get out there and start sharing. Now, let's focus on making your channel visually appealing and easy to navigate. Your YouTube channel layout plays a crucial role in retaining viewers and increasing watch time. Think of it as your online storefront. It should be attractive, organized, and user-friendly. Start with your channel banner. This is the first thing viewers see, so make it count. It should reflect your brand and the type of content you offer. Next, your About section. This is where you tell viewers what your channel is all about. Be clear, concise, and compelling. Now let's talk about playlists. Organizing your videos into playlists based on themes or series can significantly improve viewer retention. They allow your viewers to easily find related content, and they're more likely to keep watching. Finally, keep your channel layout consistent. This will create a sense of familiarity and make your channel more recognizable to your viewers. An optimized channel layout enhances viewer experience and boosts watch time. Finally, let's talk about learning from your data. YouTube Analytics is like a goldmine of information, giving you insights into your audience's behavior and your content's performance. It's your secret weapon to fine-tuning your channel for success. First off, pay attention to your watch time and view count. These metrics show you how engaging your content is. If viewers are sticking around and watching your videos until the end, you're on the right track. Next, look at your audience demographics. Are you reaching your target audience? If not, it's time to reassess your content strategy. Also, consider your traffic sources. Are viewers finding you through search, suggested videos, or external links? This can guide your promotional efforts. Lastly, monitor your engagement metrics. Likes, comments, shares. These are all indicators of how your content resonates with your viewers. Remember, data doesn't lie. Use it to your advantage. Test different strategies, learn from what works and what doesn't. Analytics is your roadmap to continuous improvement and growth. And there you have it, folks. We've traversed the terrain of YouTube growth, from defining your niche and target audience, mastering keyword research, creating compelling thumbnails and titles, to producing quality content. We've also delved into engaging introductions, interactive content, collaborations, cross-promotion, social media promotion, channel layout optimization, and the use of analytics for constant improvement. Keep these strategies in mind as you forge ahead. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep learning, and enjoy the journey. Happy creating!